Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the chat with the person whose security code you want to check. Tap their name at the top to open contact info. This reveals settings and the encryption line. Once you see encryption, you're ready to access the code. Make sure both you and the contact are present because verification is mutual. Doing this first keeps the process immediate and prevents confusion about which device's code you're comparing. Once you tap encryption, WhatsApp shows a QR code and a 60-digit security number. You verify either visually or by scanning. You can scan their QR directly from your screen or read the digits aloud while they read yours. Compare numbers in small groups for accuracy. Make sure to confirm the match verbally. This ensures both devices share the same key and prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. If digits match, the conversation is end-to-end secure. After confirming a match, tap Verify or simply note the confirmation in the encryption section so both sides know the check is complete. If codes do not match, stop messaging sensitive info, reconnect both phones to the internet, and repeat the scan. Make sure both are using the latest WhatsApp version, and if problems persist, force close and reopen the app or reinstall. This troubleshooting usually resolves sync issues and restores matching security code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.